A video game costs $36 and the store is having a sale of 25% off. What is the amount off of the original price? And then what is the price you will pay after the discount? So this has two parts to it. So first they want to know what's the amount that's off the original price. What is the discount? And that's going to be 25% of 36. So originally we're going to look for what's 25% of 36. And there's a couple ways I can do this. I could turn this into a decimal. It would be 0.25 times 36. But I also recognize that 0.25 or 25% is also equal to 1/4. So I could look up what's 1/4 times 36. And when I multiply that as a fraction, I have 36 over 4. And 36 divided by 4 is $9. So the discount is going to be $9. So that's the first part of the question. What is the amount you pay off of the original price? You're going to get $9 off. The second part of the question is, what will you pay after the discount? If you get $9 off of something that's $36, how much are you going to pay? And you are going to pay $27. So you're going to get a $9 discount and you'll end up paying $27.